All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, I've been wanting to get a planer, and was riding down the road the other day and seen some guy on the side of the road selling this, and he had this and 2 air compressors for $500, and I got this for 4. I let him keep the air compressors. I've used it once or twice. Haven't really used it much, testing it out, but I just turned it on to make sure it worked. I built this box today out of what's left of this pallet and this pallet, or actually one 12-foot long vinyl siding pallet. My neighbor said he thinks this is ash, but I think it's pine. I'm just not sure. It doesn't smell like pine, but looks like pine. We're gonna run this through here. Crazy looking pallet box, but it is solid, that's for sure. We're gonna run this through here and see how well this thing works. Oh yeah, the reason I got it outside is because it doesn't have the dust collection piece on the back. And when I did run a piece through it in the shop, it spit crap everywhere. So we're gonna run it out here. All right, so the verdict is, it works.